Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you looking for a completely free way to convert your text into natural human-like voiceovers for your videos, presentations, or any project at all? Then you're definitely in the right place. All right, let's take this step by step. First, go ahead and open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can simply click on the Start button and type Microsoft Store. It should pop up right there. Click to open it. Now just give it a few seconds to load. Once it's ready, head over to the search bar at the top and type Text-to-Voice Generator. You'll see quite a number of apps show up, but the one we'll be using today is this particular one right here. Go ahead and click on it to open its page. Now, click on the Install button and let it download and install. All right, once that's done, click on Open. Nice, now we're inside the application. Here, you'll see some quick setup options. You can choose to pin it to your taskbar, Start menu, or even enable Auto Start when your PC turns on. For me, I'll just enable Create Desktop Shortcut and leave the rest unchecked. But feel free to choose what works best for you. Then click on Allow. Now let's quickly explore the interface. Right here is where you enter your text. You can type directly or simply copy and paste anything you want to convert into voice. Below that, you'll find the language section. This lets you choose the language you want, and it also determines the available voice types. Next, we have the voice types. These are the actual speakers, and they depend on the language you select. And then the gender option, which is automatically selected based on the voice. Now over here, we have speed and pitch controls. You can adjust these sliders to make the voice faster, slower, deeper, or higher, depending on your needs. And right here, this green button is the magic button, Generate AI Voice. Once your voice is generated, you'll also get the option to download it. All right, let's test it out. I'll paste in my text. Then I'll choose my language. I'll go with English. And from the options, I'll select US English. Now for the voice type, I'll go with Emma, which is a female voice. I'll leave the speed and pitch as default for now. And then I'll click on Generate AI Voice. Give it a few seconds, and there we go.
Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you something really useful, how to create a Microsoft account using your existing Gmail, or basically any email address you already have.
Wow, that sounds really natural. Now let's download it. Just click on Download this voice, and it will be saved to your Downloads folder. Simple as that. Now let's try a different voice. I'll switch to a male voice. Click on Generate AI Voice again, and listen to this.
Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you something really useful. How to create a Microsoft account using your existing Gmail, or basically any email address you already have. So yes,
you can hear the difference. And honestly, it sounds very realistic. You can experiment with different voices, languages, speed, and pitch to get exactly what you want. This is perfect for YouTube voiceovers, presentations, tutorials, and so much more. Now, before you go, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.